Hi there! In this video, we will show you how to update XStore via WordPress. Updating XStore is important for security and also gives you access to new features, so let's look at the easiest way to update the theme. Join our community and stay connected with us by subscribing to our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram channels, and visit our website. Before any update, it is recommended to create backups of the theme files and the database. This will give you the ability to return to a working point of your site in the unlikely event that something unexpected happens. There are many ways to make a backup. Currently, this is out of the scope of this video, but you can find more information in our documentation. It's also very important to ensure that your server limits are at the required minimums for the update to complete. A lot of update issues are actually caused by poorly configured or under-resourced servers. Be sure to review the necessary requirements in our documentation and take a look at our theme control panel. When a new version of XStore is released, you will see a notification in the dashboard Updates under the Themes section. If you do not see the update but know it is available, click the Check Again button at the top of the page to refresh the list of available updates. To update XStore, select it from the list of themes and click the Update Themes button. Once you receive a message indicating that the theme has been successfully updated, the only remaining step is to update the core plugin. Simply click Go to WordPress Updates page, select the XStore Core plugin from the list, and click Update Plugins. You can then check the XStore information panel to confirm that you are running the latest version, and of course, view your website's front end to ensure that the update was successful. Automatic updates are fast, easy, and painless. The theme and core plugin are updated within a few minutes. If you have any questions or need assistance, please visit our support and our dedicated team will be happy to help you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing XStore Theme and join our community and stay connected with us by subscribing to our YouTube.